So today we're going to learn about what an array is in geometry. So array has one endpoint. Let's call this point A, and all points that continue in one direction. So let's say we put another point here and call this B. You can signify this array as A, B with an arrow at the top, so you can see A is the starting point, the end point, and B is all points. So it can be C, it can be any other letter, but all points that continue in the direction away from A. Now if you had another array that has an endpoint here, continues in this direction, let's say we call this B, and let's call this A. This would be a different array, so you can signify this one as B, A. So the endpoint we have is B, so we draw a line on top. So that's another way to signify a different. Now this would actually be considered an opposite ray because it's moving in the opposite direction. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe and comment.